Fusion solar projects. Solar made easy. Electricity is the lifeblood of modern society, and only a few industries can operate without stable electricity. In South Africa, electricity supply is increasingly becoming less stable and steadily more expensive over the past 2 decades, with price increases of double the inflation rate becoming the norm. During the same time, solar technology made huge strides forward. Modern solar components are more efficient, easier to install, and cheaper than ever before. It is now possible to design and build solar systems that produce stable electricity at lower cost than buying the same from the national grid or municipality. A popular solar configuration is the so-called hybrid system, where various energy sources are used to power the electrical load. This could include photovoltaic modules, battery or energy storage systems, wind-generated power, diesel-generated power, and more to augment or replace grid power. In addition to energy security, hybrid solar power systems also help maximizing electricity bill savings by not only replacing grid power, but also by managing when grid power is used. There are many different tariff structures, but households are typically charged at a sliding scale with 3 or 4 steps. In Pretoria, the first 100 kilowatt-hour per month is charged at a low rate, which steps up to a maximum rate for usage of more than 650 kilowatt-hour per month. A well-designed solar system can help avoid or limit the expensive rates and restrict the grid usage to the lower rates. Let's look at a recently installed hybrid solar system in Pretoria. A data logger was installed, and it was determined that this household uses 40 kilowatt-hour per day or 1,200 kilowatt-hour per month. A solar system with a 15 kilowatt inverter, 28 kilowatt-hour battery capacity, powered by 26 solar panels of 550 watt each, was installed. This is a graph of daily usage for 1 month after solar installation. The orange bars represent the energy generated by solar, the blue bars are the energy supplied by the batteries, and the red bars represent energy purchase from the grid. The total consumption for the month was 1,179 kilowatt-hour. With the direct solar usage being 704 kilowatt-hour, the energy stored and supplied by the battery bank was 312 kilowatt-hour, and only 163 kilowatt-hour was purchased from the grid. The battery capacity in this case is enough for 10 to 12 hours of average consumption. As a result, load shedding and power interruption frustrations were eliminated. On average, 6 kilowatt-hour of the daily consumption of 40 kilowatt-hour is now purchased from the grid, with the result that electricity costs dropped from more than 5,000 rand to less than 600 rand per month. With satisfied clients all over the country and hundreds of successfully completed projects, Fusion Solar Projects has established and proven itself in the market. We have the experience and expertise to size, design, and build solar systems that can substantially impact a household's electricity cost and at the same time mitigate power interruption frustrations. Fusion Solar Projects. Contact us today for friendly professional advice.